What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I finally got my fuel injectors in the mail. I'm gonna open them up right now. Let's check them out and then let's go install them. Show you guys how to install them. Pretty simple install, pretty short video today, but let's get to it. Alright, so I got my box right here. I just went ahead and cut it open. I went with the 550cc injectors for the KA, and these also work for the SR20. Get that out of the way. Nice sticker right there, nice packaging in a baggie. Here are the injectors. It's obviously 4 for a 4-cylinder. Like I said, these work for both KA and SR. And I was gonna go with the D-Works, but they're a little bit more pricey. These are the same size. Good reviews on them. A lot of people run them on the KATs. So I went with these. Let's go ahead and install these. Show you guys how to do that. Actually, let's get them out of the bag real quick. So here are the 4 injectors, each in their own little Ziploc. Nicely packaged. Got a little plug on there. Nothing gets in there. They come with the O-rings, and it also comes with the flow chart for the injectors. So you guys are interested in that info, it's right here. So let's go install these things. So I'm right here with the engine. Just real quick, pardon the background music. My dad's working on something over there, and he's got his little music playing. But anyway, what you're gonna want to do is just take off these screws right here. These are the injectors. Just take off this cap. It'll look like this. So I already loosened up these screws. Just go ahead and take them off. The cap will come off. Set that to the side. Do not lose that. Mine's already popped off. These are kind of a pain in the ass to pop off, so when they're fully pushed in, they're gonna be kind of hard to pop off. But what you can do, what I did was, I use this tool, or you can use a flathead, and just kind of get underneath the little lip of the injector. I kind of tore mine up, as you can see. What I also found worked was kind of twisting it to the side to get a better angle on it, and then just kind of put this one in there and pop it off. So once you pop them off, just make sure everything comes out. You know, the 2 O-rings are on there, so nothing's in there, and all you got to do is put the new ones back in. So let's do that. Let me show you one more time. What I did was twist it up, get my little flathead tool, get up under the slip right here, and just pressure and pop it up. And like I said, one more time, make sure everything comes out of there. Your 2 O-rings are on there. This little screen thing is on there. And all you gotta do is pop the new ones back in. So make sure everything's clean in there. There's nothing in there. Let's go grab our new injector. New injector's right here. Let's go ahead and install these. And real quick, when you're gonna install these, what you're gonna wanna do is lube up the O-ring right here and the one down here. I'm gonna take off this plug right now so you guys can see. Now, you can lube it. What people do is they use a little tiny bit of motor oil just to lubricate it, to help it slide in there. This one did come with a little bit of lube right here. Super lube. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. Take the lube, and what you're gonna wanna do is lubricate this O-ring and that O-ring just a tiny bit, just to help it slide in the rail. Like I said, you can also use a little tiny bit of engine oil, but I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed, so I'll be back when they're lubed in. Right, so I got my injector all lubed up, and all you got to do is put it back in and push in until you hear it pop in there. So push, and you'll hear it almost kind of click in there. You probably didn't hear that in the video, but now it's all in there. You'll feel it when it pushes in, and then you just gotta do 3 more and you're done. Alright, so the injectors are in. This is how it looks when it's in place properly. This one's not in there yet, so look, it's really flush in there. This one isn't popped in yet. This one's popped in. So all you gotta do is push it in, and you'll hear it almost kind of click in place. And all you have to do next, take your cap, place it in there, and screw it back on. Connect your harness, and you're done. So I got the caps back on. That's how it's gonna look. Just tighten them down, Now, don't tighten them too much. Previous owner obviously stripped one of them and broke one of them apparently. So I have an Allen on this one. This one's all stripped, so I need to get a new one for here. But the rest are fine. Just tighten them down good enough. Don't over torque it, and you should be good. That's all you got to do to switch the injectors. Just plug your harness back in. Obviously the engine's not in the car, so I can't put the harness in there yet. But that's going to be all for today. Just a quick little video. Short and simple. All we got to do next is install that tranny back on, and the engine is ready to go back. But for now, look at this thing. Sick. I cannot wait. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. Just a quick little video. Got the injectors in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Please share to all your friends, guys. Help us reach 100 subscribers, our first 100 subscribers. I want to see this channel get big so we can do better projects, more content for you guys. Next up, I have the Chase-based power steering kit coming. So as soon as that gets here, we'll do an install video on that, a little quick unboxing for you guys. But final steps, the engine's almost ready. Just got to connect the tranny and wait on the tune. Still waiting to get on the blow-off valve, but it's almost there, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.